All right, well, welcome back everybody. My name is Allie Sparks. I'm a registered dietitian here with Cross of Idaho. And today we are outside. It is grilling season, so we are going to make some grilled steak kebabs for you. All right, so we are going to start with our grilled kebabs that are all put together on skewers here. These wooden skewers soaked overnight so that they don't splinter when we put the vegetables on there. And today we just have some cherry tomatoes, some red onions, some mushrooms, and some tri-tip. This tri-tip has been marinating in a chimichurri, which is parsley and olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and some lemon juice. So it's gonna give it a really nice fresh flavor. And while these are cooking, we are just gonna brush a little bit of that extra marinade on some of these extra vegetables. And these are gonna cook relatively quickly, so about 4 minutes each side should be good to go. All right, and there we have it. Some grilled steak kebabs, lots of veggies, a great summer grilling recipe. Make sure that you follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter, and be sure to comment below what kinds of things you'd like to see us make next. We'll see you next time.